Are you trying to launch Max Payne 3, but instead of jumping into action, you're hit with this annoying error? The social club failed to load due to an incomplete installation. Please exit the game and install the latest version of Social Club. Yeah, it's frustrating, but don't worry, gamer, we've got the solution. In just a few minutes, you'll be back in the game with no errors, and it's super simple to fix. First, you'll need to download a small file, just 15 megabytes. The download link is right there in the description below, totally safe and quick to grab. Once it's downloaded, locate the file in your downloads folder and double-click to open it. Now, you'll see a pop-up asking for permission. Click Yes, Next. Click Next on the installer window. Accept the license agreement, hit Install, and let it do its thing. This part takes just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and try launching Max Payne 3 again. And there you go, no more errors, no more headaches. The game opens smoothly, and you're ready to dive into the action. If this video helped you out, show some love by hitting that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy fixes to annoying gaming errors. Got a problem you want solved in the next video? Drop it in the comments, and I might cover it next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy gaming and goodbye!